So my trust issues really began, I don't know, probably back when one of my exes started to get a lot of late night calls and texts from Pizza Hut. And that's okay though, because we go through life, we experience things and we learn things. And we learn that some people and some things cannot or should not be trusted. Things like gas station sushi, the government, AI, Taco Bell farts, or the government. Those are some things that a lot of us have learned that we can't and shouldn't trust. And there are some things specific to motorcycles that after some time riding, some experience riding, I've learned that I shouldn't trust as well. And I'm going to share a few of those things with you guys. And that's the purpose of today's video, is why having some trust issues on a motorcycle is actually a good thing. And for those of you that are new to the channel, my name is Austin. I go by AG2 Wheels here on YouTube. I like making motorcycle related content. So if that's something that sounds interesting to you and you want to hit the subscribe or the like button, that would be awesome. But let's get into it. Alright, so the first thing I don't trust is green lights, especially not fresh green lights. For the simple fact that I see so many people run red lights and run yellow lights that I don't really want to go blazing through an intersection the second the light turns green, especially not a busy one. I know it could be pretty fun and pretty satisfying to time a green light and go, blaring through an intersection the second the light turns green, but that comes with a huge risk. So if I'm coming up on an intersection, particularly a busy or an active intersection, if I'm already stopped and the light turns green, I'll kind of give the intersection a quick little look to both sides before I proceed. And then even if I'm not stopped and I'm coming up on a red light and it turns green before I stop, I'm for sure giving that intersection a quick scan on all sides and covering the brake. And the exact concern at a fresh green light is, of course, people coming the opposite way that want to turn left in front of you at the last second, or people that were driving perpendicular to you that want to blow through that light as the last second right as you're going through the intersection. Right away doesn't mean anything. A lot of dead riders that have the right of way. And I know I said I didn't trust green lights, but I don't discriminate because I don't trust red ones either. So when coming up on a red light like that, I know it just turned green. But when coming up on a red light like that, I like to stop kind of offset to this car in front of me. That way if I do get hit from a car behind me, I'm at least not going to get sandwiched between the car behind me and this car. Another thing that I'll do when I'm stopped at a red light is I'll keep a hand on my clutch and an eye on my mirrors. And I'll just watch the people that are coming up stopping behind me. If I'm coming up on a light and I know the wait's going to be long, I don't just immediately flip my bike into neutral. I'll wait till at least a couple cars are stopped safely behind me. That way, in case if I feel like someone's coming up really hot behind me, I can try and pull forward or pull off to the side and avoid them running into the back of me. Motorcycle riders getting rear-ended while stopped at a red light is actually a pretty common accident, unfortunately. And it's actually the main reason that lane filtering is legal here in Utah. At least for right now, it's legal. Not lane splitting, but being able to filter up to the front at a red light while all the other vehicles are stopped is legal here. So yeah, while I don't trust green lights, I don't necessarily trust red ones either. We got up here a couple Harley boys. We got 3 Harley boys. Some brothers. Alright, and the last thing I don't trust, and I save this for last because it's kind of the overarching, all-encompassing premise of this video, and that is other people. I do not trust other people. I don't trust them to see me, I don't trust them to hear me, and I don't trust them to do the right thing. I try to ride expecting everyone around me to do the worst possible thing at any given moment, and then having a plan if that does happen. I try to not put my safety in the hands of other people at all. Just try to practice good riding habits and just try and expect the unexpected. Just be looking and waiting for people to pull out of houses or other intersections. Just gotta expect the worst and then have a plan. So yeah, let me know in the comments what are some things that you guys don't trust when it comes to riding motorcycles. Let me know if I missed something. Then yeah, just once again, if you found this video helpful and you wanted to hit the like or the subscribe button, that would be much appreciated. And until next time, guys, I'll catch you later. Peace.